Strong Toyota, leading the way every day. And strong Toyota, symbols of trust.
We have found damage and caught rhino beetles in all villages. We have not found breeding sites in all villages, but basically we can say that the rhino beetle has spread throughout the island of Guam.
Coconut Rhinoceros Beetle Eradication Program Chief of Operations Roland Kittigwa says that although the beetles have made it out of the quarantine zone in Tumon, where they originated, and spread throughout the island, they aren't giving up. In fact, he says in June he'll be conducting a series of workshops for both the public and private sector with some new technologies and techniques that they're using against the beetle.
Have we lost the battle? And the answer is no.
Kittigwa says that Tumon is a good example of this. Although some areas, like Ipao Beach, seem to be totally devastated, the trees there are still alive. And the trees in the surrounding hotels, like the Hilton and other areas in Tumon, are very healthy. Kittigwa says this is because the trees are being managed properly, which means all their flowers and coconuts are trimmed regularly and green waste is properly disposed of. So how can you tell if a tree is infected? The telltale sign is triangular-shaped leaves that almost look like they've been cut. If you see triangular-shaped leaves accompanied with noticeable boreholes where the beetles literally dig into the tree, then it's infested with the rhino beetle. The rhino beetle can kill coconut trees by eating the heart of the tree. Kittigwa says they are still using some biocontrol agents. Specifically, they've released a fungus that is killing the rhino beetle, just not fast enough.
It's a fungus that's very specific to the rhino beetle. We have seen that this fungus has been killing and is being auto-disseminated. What's happening is our crew can go into the jungle areas, cut down a dead coconut standing trunk, and when it hits the ground and we split it open, find dead rhino beetles in there all covered with green fungus.
The beetles lay their eggs in rotting wood. They hatch as worms or grubs, which feed off of this rotting wood, which is why Kittigwa says the key to controlling the beetle is controlling green waste.
Is the battle over? The answer is no. But the reality is we're going to have to manage our trees from here on out. And the biggest problem that we have is the green waste. We have to manage our green waste. And something has to be done about that. And it's not just you and me, but we have to get together as an island to handle this.